What's up guys, Tony here from Tucker Speed with a new product alert. We are super excited about these. These are our new pullback risers that we just came out with. We're super excited about them. Before we talk a little bit more about them, I just want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of these videos, the Law Tigers. If you guys are ever in a motorcycle accident, are in need of legal guidance, make sure you give the Law Tigers a call. So let's talk risers. Obviously we got two different colors here. We got our anodized black and we have our satin silver version. When we saw these, we kind of tested it when we first saw it. We thought it would be something unique and different than your standard kind of just raw aluminum or polished or chrome stuff. It's kind of a cool look. We're super excited. So these risers have a forged carbon inlay in them. On the satin version, they really pop. The carbon in the top clamp and in the side legs, really kind of pop. On the black versions, they really kind of blend in, but it's just a really nice finishing touch on them. So the carbon inlay on the inside of the legs here, they actually unbolt so you can run wiring up through them to kind of make the install super clean. So something that we really kind of put some thought into and wanted the final product once installed to kind of really, be a high quality product. So when you purchase these, you're obviously going to purchase, a set of risers by itself if that's what you would need. Say you're putting it on a Softail or a Dyna or even a new Road Glide, a Gen 2 Road Glide where it doesn't have a gauge pod. So you can buy just the risers or you can add on. Right now we currently have the Road Glide gauge pod housing here and it comes complete with the arm, the clamp and everything needed. Something really cool on these is the way we kind of utilize this adapter here in the back. You can flip this so that you can run your gauges kind of below your bars or above. So they're kind of set it up depending on how you want to say, maybe the height of your bars, or maybe you have a stereo deck or whatever it is you're trying to do. You can kind of reverse those and run them both ways. You can also move this clamp up and down a little bit to kind of set that height just right where you want it. So something we're super excited about. In the future, real soon, we're going to have the digital kind of Softail top clamp gauge housing coming as well, and then we'll also have the round gauge housing coming out real quick. While you're doing that, you also want to jump on and grab a set of the Tucker Speed good and tight riser bushings. We got 4 different colorways. We got blue, black, white black, and black. And we got all the fitments: Touring, Softail, Dyna, FXR. So whatever you need. Let us know what you guys think of these risers. We're super happy about them. We have very limited quantities, so if you want to set, you better jump on and grab them now. You can find them at tuckerspeed.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.